Ito yung baon ng lunch ng mga bata. Chicken schnitzel sandwich. Ayan. Kinat ko siya sa triangle. Kasi meron akong triangle bag dito. So, yan yung lunch. And si Holly papasok na. Kita ko lang muna sa inyo bago ko takpan. So, yan yung itsura niya. Ganyan. And naglagay din ako yung aking homemade na chipotle. And then yung sauce ni Kuya. Then, cheese. So, 3 cheese. Takpan natin siya. Si Holly umubo pa rin pero papasok na siya. Diba kasabihin ng teacher, gawa-gawa ko. Umuubo siya kaya para at least marinig yun na umuubo talaga si Holly. So, ayan. Pinuha muna siya ng kanyang medisina.
Do you know I'm looking and I can't help but smile? Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up and we just sing along, and I can't help but feeling just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would?
Nag-drive na pala ako papuntang town. Today's Thursday. Si Holly, di ba, pumasok. Dapat meron siyang dancing today. Hindi muna siya magda-dance kasi kailangan niya, mas gusto niyang mag-attend ng presentation for netball. Kasi ito yung first year ni Holly na sumali sa netball. So may presentation sila. So sasakay siya ng bus with Kuyas. Then si Jan ang bahala sa kanya. Late na yung ating grocery. Kasi may ginawa pa kami ni Jan bago siya nag-cut ng grass. Tinulungan ko siya magbuhat-buhat ng mga bagay-bagay. Kaya ang oras ng ating grocery is 2:18. Papunta pa lang ako doon. Ganda ng weather today. Nakalabas yung sun. Medyo mahangin lang. Then tomorrow ata or the next day, ilang araw daw na sunod-sunod yung ulan. Kaya nag-cut na siya ng grass today. Kasi for a few days, malalakas ang ulan na parating. Ang sarap ng lunch ng ng mga bata. Kahit si Jan, sabi ni Jan, gawan ko raw siya ng mga ginagawa ko sa mga batang lunch instead of ham and cheese sandwich. Lagi kasi ham and cheese and sandwich or Vegemite sandwich ang pabaon ko sa kanya. So ngayon, nakikita yung mga ginagawa kong lunch box sa mga bata. Gusto niya raw ganun din. Kasi ko sure. Malapit na siya mag-fishing. Yeah, sobrang mabibisi na talaga. Well, busy na talaga. Kaya mag-drive muna ako. Dito na pala tayo nakapark sa coast. And gamit ko pala itong ating nabili sa Uniqlo. Ngayon ko palang ito gagamitin. Ay, may tagpa nga. Kasi lagi kong gamit is yung black. Ayan. Ito ang gagamitin natin today. Shades ko. Dito pa yung lagay. And etong ating lens. Lagay na natin dyan. Kasi nandito na tayo ulit sa car. Alright. Bags. Eco bags.
Want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 나의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I've feeling uptown, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. It's the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you. My love, my love, my love. Take it by the show, 'cause I want you right. We're night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in the ocean, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean. No surprise, it's you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. It's the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true.
Malambot ba yung wave?
That was you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause your love is all I need.
Tinago nila, nandito na yung mga hula, yung peche, kasi usually doon po. Nandito na sila sa shelves.
Oh, 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 oh.
And nandito na yung broccoli. Diba usually ang ganyan? Nandito na rin yung ano.
Swimming over Malibu,
Spring
I
onion.
guess it's true. Fights if that was you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights.
Tayo na rin.
Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you. My love, my love, my love. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. Fights if that was you.
Tingnan nyo itong kamatis. Napakalaki. Ang tawag dito ay Grandma's Red Heirloom. May yellow leaf. Ayan. Para siyang pumpkin. Mini. Pero ang kunin natin na kamatis ay ito. Para hindi pa ganun kahinog. And Pirino. Masarap to. Meron din sila yung red lang. Pero kinukuha ko na yung mix. Ito 390. Ito 690. Pa rin tayo ng pinky cucumber para sa mga bata. Ang bata. Ito pa yung maliit lang. Para kasya yung sa lunchbox nila. Tapon, bumili si Jan ng potatoes sa shop. Ngayon, bibili natin yung baby curries. Pa tayong repolyo.
Tristan to the South Center, Tristan to the South Center.
Kasi ang presyo niya naman is per each. Hindi naman siya per kilo. Tanggalin na natin. And my Karen favorite na fennel. Kunin natin. Isang tayo. Ay, ito mas maganda. And radish. Ang salad-salad. Kung kumuha ng yung herbs. Sana ba yun? Usually dito yun eh. Nilipat na nila. Nawala lang tayong almost 1 week ba? Nagbago na yung post. Ito basil to. Ano yung mga herbs nila? Wala. Asan na? And yung juice nandito na sa side. Dati salad dyan. Tingnan nyo. Juice na nandun. Juices. Dati mga salad. Yung spinach nandito na. Hindi ko manap yung herbs. Dito dati yung mga juices. Oh, nilipat na dito guys yung mga salad. And nandito rin yung herbs na hinahanap ko. So dati coffee and juices dito. Ito yung hinahanap natin. And patay spinach. Kailangan natin ng butter.
I've been up down, girl, since I met you. Oh no, swimming over Malibu. I guess it's true. The fights have damaged you. Swimming over Malibu. It's overdue, 'cause the baddest have damaged you. Swimming over Malibu. I guess it's true. The fights have damaged you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show, 'cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you want it more. You and night and day, make your body sweat. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Swimming over Malibu. I guess it's true. The fights have damaged you. Swimming over Malibu. It's overdue, 'cause the baddest have damaged you. Swimming over Malibu. I guess it's true. The fights have damaged you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause your love is all I need. Oh, 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 oh. guitar, but less of time. I drew my heart a a wall, but I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. We played a Charles Bridge on the side, with your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. Your point of view, different taste. Walking slow, bumpy pace. Cause you know we can fall in love. This moment's all it takes. Autumn leaves falling down. Suddenly it's over now. But you know we'll fall in slowly. You take my breath away between the sheets. My body's weak when you're around, and I don't know how you do. Can you play the tunes we used to? So stop the time and listen, babe. Live high, fly to the moon. Take a second, rewrite the stars. Be my sweetheart, you're ever glowing, babe. Can you feel my love from afar? Now I'm backseat in New York side. Body numb, just passing time. But I keep my head up high. All my friends tell me I'll be fine.
So, ayan na yung mga nakuha natin so far. Punta naman tayo sa detergent. Washing detergent. Kung maalala nyo, doon sa pinagstayan namin, sa Airbnb, may gustong-gusto akong kunin na liquid. Maganda siya sa damit. In fairness doon. Hindi ko na kailangan ng nuggets kasi gumagawa na tayo ng sarili kong nuggets. Sana mahanap ko yun. Pwede tayo nito. Freshener sa bahay. Okay. Ang bigatan ng cart ko. Alright, hanapin ko muna siya. Wala dito yun. Baka sa Woolies. Inisa-isa ko na to. Hindi ko siya makita dito. Hindi yan. Ay. Minsan kasi pag wala dito, nasa Woolies. Pag wala sa Woolies, nandito naman yung ibang products na hinahanap natin. So, wala dito siya. Malit lang yung na bottle eh. Nakita nyo naman yun, diba? Parang ganito lang din siya. Ayan, ganito. Antibacterial. Try ko ya. Ay, sorry. I-try ko kaya to. Iba nga lang brand. Pero mas gusto ko yun eh. Kasi mabango din yun eh. Try ko. Okay din yung amoy niya. Try natin ito. Okay, tapos na. Bayad na tayo. Ang bigat na yung card ko. Lumiliko na siya sa ibang direction. Lumalaban na siya. Tingnan. Sana merong nagsiserve. Meron. Linya na tayo dito. Baker's Delight pa pala ako. Tinapay natin. Thank you.
The eggs are in this one.
Okay, thank you. You too, good night. Okay, Baker's Delight naman tayo. May pag-gate na sila dito. Nasabi ko na ba sa inyo? Ayan. Kasi marami nang nagnanakaw dito eh. Kanina may nakita ako. Baka nakita niya, hindi nyo nakita yung actual na ginawa niya. Pero nakita nyo yung taong yon nung kumuha ko ng tubig. Ang ganda pa ng sikat ng araw. Anong oras na kaya? Siguro mga 4:30 na. Mamaya ako lang ang lahat na magbubuhat nito kasi may training yung mga bata. Pang oras na. 4:22. Baker's Delight naman. Hindi masarap yung grapes. Maano siya, malambot. Yung gusto ng mga bata, crunchy yung yung grapes. So, walay pa. Hindi pa tayo bibili ng grapes. Oops, may incoming car. Court. Ayan, dito siya ng court. Oops, wait lang. Ako naman, sir. Paano makapasok ka dito? Buti lang, malapit lang yung Baker's Delight. Iko lang tayo dito, diretso. Oops. Hindi ko siya. Diretso lang natin itong street. Tingnan ko sa She's Apples kung okay yung grapes nila. Kasi gusto ko rin ng grapes. Okay, clear. Dito na tayo. Hindi ko na kayo isama. Tingnan lang kayo dito. Kasi ayan lang. Ayan na tayo. Ayan, Baker's Delight. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Tumingin din ako kung meron silang grapes. Wala silang grapes. As in, wala. At least sa Coles meron. Yun nga lang malambot. So, bumili tayong 3 tinapay. And meron silang bago ngayon lang daw to nila ni-release. Etong pistachio. Oh, dumikit na. Dumikit na yung pistachio. Okay muna tayo. Ah, nandun kay Johnny Boy. Dumikit na yung pistachio. Ay, hala. Ano ba yun? Ayan, pistachio Danish ang tawag dito. Ano ba yan? Wala na. Kunti nga lang yung pistachio. Ayan. Nasa middle yan. Na-butcher na natin. So, $3.80 ata to. Ganyan siya kalaki. Ganyang karami yung pistachio. And para may custard din dyan. Oh. Masarap yung bread. Yung custard masarap. Hindi ko pa natitikman yung pistachio. Friends, masarap. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Hindi siya matamis, in fairness. In fairness dito, hindi matamis. Hindi siya nakakaumal. Tapos may bite siya ng nuts ng pistachio. Hindi lang yung parang cream ng, ayan ba, yung butter niya. Not butter, pistachio cream. Nga lang, konti lang yung nilagay. Hala, nagkalat na tayo dito. Okay, tapusin ko lang to. Yan, uwi na tayo. Di ba katapos ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung kinain kong pistachio puppy Danish ng Baker's Delight. And ngayon lang nila yun nirelease at isa na lang yung natitira at akong nakakuha. Tingnan nyo, ang lumabas sa TikTok. 8 hours niya in-upload. Same ng kinain natin. So same din yung ano, sinabi niya rin na first time today lang daw ni-release to. Ba't ang sa kanya?
Here's what we're dealing with.
Ang
That's
dami
some
ng pistachio
very
sa
light.
kanya.
Just 1 hour ago and fresh from the oven. It looks
Oh.
nice and crispy, flaky. a bit of
Fresh
sea salt
kasi
going
from the
on, and
oven.
of
So
course the
siguro yung pistachio nag melted pa. Ang sarap niya in fairness ha. Bibili pa ako nito. So yun lang. Uwi na tayo. Dito pala tayo sa bahay. Pero alis ulit tayo. Binaba ko lang yung cold food. At nilagay ko sa ref. And punta tayo doon kay Holly. Oh, yan yung mga chips. Hindi ko pa binaba. Yung mga niya. Walang kapaguran ng mga anak ko, no? Si Sak, di ba? Tapos lang ng footy niya ngayon. Training ulit siya dito. Malapit na kasi yung championship ng ano din ng football. Asan si John? Nandito ba si John? Yeah, nagtitrain siya ng mga bata eh. Assistant trainer siya eh. Saan si Johnny Boy? Tawagan ko muna. Ay, yung mga bata. Pero hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo sila. Ay, yung mga nagtitraining.
You're trying to reach is not available. At the time, please record your message.
Hindi niya sinagot. Baka nagluluto. Dito rin pala kayo magdi-dinner. Baka nasa kitchen siya. Schedule niya magluto sa kitchen. Okay. Maglibot na lang ako para makahanap ako ng parking. Nasa kitchen ba siya? Not sure. Kasi minsan nasa kitchen yan si Johnny. Okay, hanapin ko muna ang asawa ko, guys. Ayan na yung asawa ko.
You going in there?
I have to.
Yeah, we'll go around and park your car.
No, there's full. That's why I come here.
Well, don't park anywhere the footy will hit you. You can still park around there somewhere. Well, I'm just about to go around there now.
Where?
Follow me.
Alright, follow you. Sabi ko kasi hindi ako magdi-dinner dito. Ngayon, dito na rin ako magdi-dinner. Kasi, anong oras na? Hindi na tayo makapagluto. Doon daw ako mag-park kasi matatama ng car natin ng footy. Dito na kami sa bahay. Si Sak lang yung kasama ko kasi sabi ko sumama siya para tulungan niya ako. Ayan. Nailabas niya na yung ating excited for this?
What, gummy bears?
Yeah. Ayan. Si Holly gustong-gusto niya nang gumawa ng gummy bears. Ito pala yung, yeah. Ang tagal na nito.
Thank you.
Gusto niya akong gumawa ng gummy bears.
Bye.
Bye. Bye guys, we're gonna close our vlog. Sobrang busog ako dun sa kinain namin. My God, nagsisi na naman ako. Ano lang, half lang yun. Magpuput away pa ako. So yun na guys, thank you. Ay, wala pa akong... Well, try. Last year pa to. Last year pa yan. Etong ating... Tawag yan? Pang gummy bears nila. Kaso nga, walang time. Alright guys, bye! Bye guys, put away ko na ang mga to. Nandito na yung butter and eggs and yogurt. Nilagay ko yan una nung pag-uwi ko dito. Okay, good night guys. So, nakapag-grocery tayo kahapon. Ayan yung lunch nila today. Meron silang broccoli, corn, strawberries, berries, mandarin, and yung homemade natin na chicken nuggets with zucchini. And meron din dyan na chicken schnitzel. And ayan yung carrots and cucumber. Same as Holly. And my cupcakes kay Kuya. Grilled chicken sandwich. And ayan yung snacks niya. So ayan. Ginagawa ko na pala yung gummy bears. And ito yung ating honey, lemon and gelatin. And ito yung strawberries na blended ko. So ganyan kadami nagawa ng strawberry. 1 cup lang yun. 1 cup. So ito yung dinner nila tonight. Beef stew. And potatoes. Request to ni Jan.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
Oh, I thought
So
it
yan na
was
yung dinner
sausage.
nila. No, not sausage. It's beef.
That's right.
Yeah.
I like the sausage one.
Alright. Yan yung
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.